Alright, so lately I've been getting a lot of comments on the video I put up of this really old ceiling fan quite a while ago, and I figured I'd do an update video on it. I do still have it, and I do not know if it works, but it is still here. And there's a picture of the name tag on it for those interested. Yeah, like I said, I do not know if it works because it's not even wired up at the moment, as you can see. But I don't plan on ever taking it down. It's just going to hang here. But it does still move. It's an old spinner type ceiling fan. Yep. I figured I'd just make this quick little video. And it's still here. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.